Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing a Super Junior subunit album, which is Super Junior Happy. They haven't released anything since this album, to my knowledge, and I legit bought this album for one song, and that is Pajama Party. I just love that song, and I just love it so much. But all the other songs are really good too. This is the front, the side, and back. Why are you not focusing? And the CD. It has a bunch of little foods on it. And the photo book. Oh, it goes up. That's right. I was about to start trying to turn it. It's gonna be kind of hard to see. Kind of. And the credits. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think out of all the subunits the Super Junior has had, my favorite is probably Super Junior Happy. But I also do like some Super Junior M stuff. A decent amount of that, but I haven't bought any of their albums, or at least not yet. I don't know if I will or not, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.